If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Select Subject in Photoshop is a command or command button that lets you select the subject of a photo with a single click. When activated, it uses AI to analyze and select the subject of your photo. The Select Subject command or command button appears in several places in Photoshop. To use the Select Subject command in Photoshop, open the photo within which to select a subject. Then choose Select Subject from the menu bar. Alternatively, to select a subject in a photo after choosing either the Object Selection tool, Quick Selection tool, or Magic Wand tool from the Tools panel, first change whether the Command button processes the subject selection on the local device or in the cloud by selecting either Device Quicker Results or Cloud Detailed Results from the drop-down next to the Select Subject command button in the Options Bar control panel. Then click the Select Subject command button. Alternatively, to select the subject, if you select any tool other than the Hand tool or Zoom tool in the Select and Mask workspace, which you will examine in the next lesson, use the same drop down and Select Subject command button, which appears in the Options Bar control panel. Separately, as shown in the previous Camera Raw chapter, you can click the Select Subject button in the Masking panel or select one of the Adaptive Subject presets in the Presets panel in the Camera Raw dialog box in Photoshop to select the subject in a Camera Raw photo when applying a mask, or select the subject in a Camera Raw photo when applying a mask and effect, respectively. After selecting the subject, as with any selection tool, you can then refine the selection using other selection tools or the Select and Mask workspace if needed. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.